Hello everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Erika Fonseca. I'm studying to be English teacher in the UTPL University. In this time, I'm going to talk about assessing language skills. We know that in English we have 4 skills. It is listening, reading, grammar, and writing. First of all, we need to know when do we need to assess our students. The purpose of assess is collect information to help teachers make decisions. When we evaluate our students, the results are going to help us if the students are learning or if they are not learning. In case the students aren't learning, we have to change the strategy or maybe the methodology that we are using. The evaluation that we do our students can be summative assessment or can be formative assessment. What decisions need to be made? The decisions about the evaluate students we need to know, like teachers. Who will be affected by these decisions? Of course, the students will be affected by these decisions. And who will make these decisions? The decisions we make like teachers. When these decisions need to be made, these decisions or this assessment we need to do in some periods. What are the qualities of indebted decisions? In this time we know in what level our students are. Like I told you before, in this time I'm going to concentrate in assessing writing. So we know different types that we can evaluate our students in writing. The students can be evaluated in these 5 factors. First, the fluency. The fluency that the students have when they are writing. They can have a lot of vocabulary in this. So the content that they have, it is really important because we like teachers give them some topic and they can imagine about the content and do a lot of information. The conversions, the syntax, and the vocabulary, it is really important when they are writing so they can concentrate what kind of writing they are doing. The first task that I design is dictation. The dictation is the first task that I design to evaluate students through writing. Students will work in a piece of paper. They will write some words that the teacher will say in Spanish, and they have to write it in English. Students, they have to know some vocabulary, so the teacher can evaluate the vocabulary students, the vocabulary that the students have. The vocabulary words will depend on the age of the students. For example, if the students have 13 years old or maybe 11 years old, so the students need to have one specific level and the teacher can do the words depending on the level that the students are. The second task that I designed is make students write uneasy. In this time we can evaluate the writing of our students because they are going to give us all the skills that they have through an essay. The students will make an essay. The teacher will give the students one specific topic and the students will write an academic essay. It should have the topic, it should have the introduction, the body, and the conclusions. All the part that one academic essay has. The teacher can evaluate the fluency, the grammar, the vocabulary, the content. So all this information can be evaluated by the teacher. And for example, an academic essay can write students from the university. We, like I told you before, we have to take in mind what level are we assessment, because we can't say our students that they have like 11 years old to write an academic essay because they don't have the enough information, or they don't have the enough age to do this academic easy. But people or students from the university, they have all the information and they can do it. So we, like teachers, we can evaluate this writing to our students. So those are the two types that I designed to evaluate our students in writing. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like, and see you next time.